To prepare the Panther 5N for the next patient, simply remove the used patient circuit and filters from the front panel. Remove and replace the exhalation flow control valve. Dark blue is for pediatric and adult patients. Light blue is for neonatal patients, 400 grams through 7 kilograms. Assemble a new patient circuit with clean filters. Prior to the use of a new circuit and/or flow sensor on the Panther 5N, once you perform a circuit check, press Operations in the center of the control panel. Select Begin Circuit Check. Occlude the circuit and follow the instructions on the screen. For the final test, open the circuit to room air. An adult flow sensor has been detected. Press Finish. The circuit and expiratory flow sensor are now calibrated for patient use.